PROSOLV EASYtab is an all-in-one, homogenous, high-functionality excipient composite. It's comprised of 4 individual components: a filler binder, glidant, superdisintegrant, and a lubricant. These components maintain their chemical identities while synergistically providing increased functional performance. In a typical continuous solid dosage manufacturing process, the APIs and the individual excipients are fed into the continuous blender at a constant feed rate. This presents a number of challenges critical to the final product's quality. The use of multiple excipients, added via individual feeders, increases the likelihood of process variability, resulting in dosing and over-lubrication issues. Using PROSOLV EASYtab can accomplish the same task using only 2 feeders, thus enabling reliable, steady-state feeding conditions and consequently enhancing the finished product's quality and performance. PROSOLV EASYtab offers the following benefits: excellent content uniformity of the excipient fraction, high intrinsic flow, good tablet hardness with low friability, improved content uniformity of low-dose drugs, quick disintegration, excellent film adhesion, and exceptional cost savings. By using PROSOLV EASYtab in your continuous manufacturing process, you can realize many benefits, including reliable dosing, easier control, no over-lubrication, reduced system complexity, and increased manufacturing output.